Hey traders, today we're going to talk about Microsoft stock. Now Microsoft stock is a little different from the plays that we normally do on this channel. As you know, we've called over 120 short squeezes in the past year, and one of those is CDLX, which we actually called out in yesterday's video. We went over this stock, and the stock rallied from $5 to $6.20, which is how some of our traders made $10,000 to $15,000 yesterday. But if you didn't get a chance to trade that, that's okay. I'm going to go over Microsoft for you today. Now, Microsoft is not going to make you a millionaire unless you use options, but Microsoft can still be an excellent trade, especially if you're looking for a stable stock to trade. Okay, Microsoft is a stable stock. Now, it is reaching all-time highs, meaning that most likely the stock will move sideways a little bit before moving upwards even more, but we are looking for this stock to come all the way up to the $300 level, or at least up to $295. So Microsoft is most likely going to rally from where it's at right now, $290 to about $295 to $300. And that's going to happen in anywhere from 3 to 5 trading days. How do we know this? Well, if we look at the trend of Microsoft, it tends to move anywhere from $1 to about $8 at a time. So if Microsoft moves from $1 to $8 at a time, and it's in what is known as an uptrend. Now, for those of you who don't know what an uptrend is, let me explain. An uptrend is when stocks, they go up and then they come down, and then they come up and then they come down, but more overall, if you look at the entire stock, you'll notice that the stock is heading in an upwards trend, meaning that the line is overall going up. So if I draw a line here, I'll see that the line is overall getting higher and higher, right? So the Microsoft stock is in an uptrend right now, okay? It's not so straightforward as some of the other uptrends that you may have seen, and that's because we're looking at the daily chart. So day to day, Microsoft moves about this much, and as you can see, it's not much, and also the stock tends to come up and then pull back multiple times before it actually goes up. So that's what you can expect from Microsoft. Don't expect it to go up $10 in one day the moment Monday happens, but do watch the stock in terms of this stock can rally in the future as a long-term stock. Now, if Microsoft breaks $300, then that's going to be huge, because if Microsoft breaks 300, then that may mean that the AI craze and the new technology that Microsoft is adopting can push the company into new territory, because right now the high and resistance on Microsoft is at about $300. So if we can break that level and hold that level, meaning that the stock price stays above that level for days, maybe even weeks, then the stock can have $300 as the new support level, and it can start rallying not only to 300 but maybe even to 400 someday. Microsoft can be reaching that next level on the new technology that they've acquired. So I want you to watch Microsoft for an uptrend. Certainly Microsoft within the next few trading days can come to $295 or $300, and potentially if it breaks $300, Microsoft can go all the way up to $350 or $400. But that, again, it's gonna take years for that to happen, most likely, but it's something to look forward to in the future, especially for my long-term investors who watch this channel and want to make some money. If you're interested in learning how to trade stocks professionally, if you want to make money trading stocks and especially day trading, then you are in the right place. Make sure to join us in the Discord link down below and join us in the pro group. All you have to do is message me on Discord, send me a DM, and I will tell you exactly how to join the pro group and get my trades like CDLX, which made our traders thousands and tens of thousands of dollars yesterday. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time.